Welcome everyone to a Wick Magic tutorial. On this one, I will focus on how to configure the CoinMarketCap API integration to use the Fear and Greed Index from CoinMarketCap instead of the regular Bitcoin from Alternative Me. All right, first of all, you log in to CoinMarketCap. You will see Fear and Greed Index. Right now it's in the 34 value, so it's fear. The differences I saw between the normal Fear and Greed Index that we use and this CoinMarketCap Fear and Greed Index is that they use 10 altcoins to make the index, and they use different things, let's say a little bit different. In fact, it's like the normal, it's now something like 30, and this one is 54. So it's a matter of taste, what you like more, and as well, because this one is using shitcoins and not only the Bitcoin sentiment, it makes sense that for some shitcoins could work better. Uh, well, that's up to you. So it's really easy to configure. First of all, you need to click or create an account in the CoinMarketCap. Then you go to your profile. There's an option. It says API. It will open. Then you click login. It will log in and you will see the API here. When you click the copy key, you will see the key. Then you go to your Gunbot, you click on trading settings. You can edit a new pair or you can add a new pair because this is a blank Gunbot, there's nothing else. Okay, so we will select something funny like X out. Okay, USD X out, this is gold. Then we select community, Wick Magic. You will see you can pretty much use defaults if you want or change them, like 55 minutes. Let's put 1 minute because gold doesn't move as crypto. Okay, 4 hours, 400. Let's put 5 here for the minimum position value. Pretty much you can leave it default. We only will allow ultra aggressive entry. This you can leave it default. You can change the breakout cooldown to 2, for example. Okay, I click in the wrong key. Okay, then back management, you can set DCA freeze to 0.2, for example. And here you see the Fear and Greed Index Bitcoin, you don't touch it. Then you go to the CoinMarketCap Fear and Greed Index and you select enable CMC, CoinMarketCap Fear and Greed, use CoinMarketCap scale trading limit. So in case you want to use it only as a scale, you will set this one both enable CMC and use CoinMarketCap scale. Then you set your API and this no longer matter. Okay, now we could set 25 as CoinMarketCap is 54. Okay, you can see here. Then cache leave default and don't enable this option, it's not needed. Then you go to FGI mimics scaling profile, you use FGI mimics profile, and then you can set something more common like 125 on this one 1.1 108, that should be fine. 0.5. All right, you click add pair and first you click save changes. It will save. It's saved already. Now you go to chart, start sim. And if everything is fine, now it will load here Yeah, configurator engine, and it's already loaded. Okay, now we go to the chart and we will see a new option in the overview. Sometimes it takes a while. All right, so you will see here in the overview panel CMC FGI index, and this index will grow. It means that I will keep 30 last days of the CoinMarketCap Fear Greed Index, so you are able to see the evolution of the market considering the Fear Greed. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and to see more new tutorials. Thank you.